Chris?
Yeah.
This is Joe again. I'm just following up with you.
Okay, yeah, man, right now I gotta, my dad said to call the bank and see if we have money, but I doubt that I got the money in there right now because we had spent it like 2 days ago. Cause after we were turned down by this other company, we're like, man, this forget, we'll probably look for it. We'll probably look for a car on our income tax, you know? But,
All right. Well, we'll come pick you up right now, and you can drive it off the lot.
yeah, but
It
you see,
has
right
nice
now, I
22-inch
guess
rims.
right, huh?
It got nice 22-inch rims and spinners on it.
Yeah, I know is that, right now I guess we have zero down and my dad don't get paid till 2 more weeks and I doubt it. I mean,
Okay.
if anything,
We can.
we
I'll do
come
this
up.
for you. I'll do this for you. You can come get the car, no money down, but
Mhm.
next month you got to give me $800. That's going to be the car payment plus the down payment.
800.
Yeah,
Hold
that's the
on.
down payment.
The down payment 800
That's a down payment and the car payment all together next month.
next month.
Yeah, next month, 30 days from now. You pay us 30 days from now.
Okay. And where y'all located? Cause I could probably get it right now.
We can come get you right now, in it.
Huh?
All you have to do is come sign that dotted line.
And but what do I need to bring with me? Because right now my whole thing's in my dad's car, like all my driver's license and all that. You
As
know,
long as you have your driver's license number, we can do it.
my driver's license number.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, I mean, I can get a ride right now. I go try to go down there right now.
All righty. Well, come on.
Oh,
We'll see you
well,
then. All righty. Bye.
hey, where y'all